Today is August 29th, a few hours after a huge amount of fireworks continuing till early morning due to the traditional Ganesh idol immersion ceremony. But the issue is the huge amount of air pollution, the combustion products of fireworks. Nobody keeps track of these fireworks and what they do to city's air here. Last year we suffocated inside our apartment here, and I had to call the fire brigade and seek some relief. But it was impossible because fire brigade cannot purify the air or remove the sulfur or nitrous oxides which interfere with our normal breathing. There has to be some control over the amount of fireworks which one could use within a urban or municipal area, because it affects the health and well-being of senior citizens and disabled children. I was praying very hard for rains, and the rains came almost after the immersion ceremony was over and brought down, fortunately, all the gaseous products, sulfur dioxide, nitrous oxide, phosphorus oxides, and various fumes and aerosol particles left behind by the fireworks down, and I feel little pure air today because of the rains. These rains have come as blessings, but I have a dread of 5 days and 7 days and 21 days. We still have 3 occasions left of huge amount of fireworks which are used by people, and nothing can be done about it. You cannot just control it, but anything may happen. People may fall sicker and sicker if there are no rains and the nighttime temperature is low. What happens is cold air within human breathing zone traps the combustion products of fireworks, and people start suffocating, children start suffocating, breathless, and various types of lung respiratory diseases, they proliferate immediately after the festival. This happens after every festival, and despite Supreme Court restrictions on the use of fireworks and all, even firecrackers, nobody cares for air pollution. People are ready to pay the price, and that is how it is. And only the rain is the savior. The rain is a blessing because the rain purifies the air. Rain brings out all the atmospheric air pollutants, and rain gives us relief. So I pray for the rain next 10 days, 20 days, at least at night when fireworks take place, so that the products of fireworks are washed out by the rains and we can breathe fresh air and expect to live little longer as senior citizens.